Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see how to find the weekday and week number from the date from the date in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see the three columns. In the first column here you can see the date and here you can see some of the dates. Okay, and now suppose if I want to find out this particular day, for example the 14th of November 2001, and if I want to find this date falls on which weekday, like whether it falls on the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, like that. Okay, so for Sunday means it will be like 1, for the Monday means it will be like 2, Tuesday means like 3. Okay, so each day for each date, going to the calendar and finding the weekday is really a troublesome, and it doesn't make sense. Like you cannot find the weekday for all the dates if you have large data, like if you have more than thousands and if you have lakhs of columns. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to tell you one of the simple formula, like where you can find the weekday using that formula for any date, and also we'll try to find on which week number this particular date will fall. Okay, so for the weekday you can use the formula is equal to week day, open the bracket, and here you can select the date, close the bracket. So this particular date will fall on the fourth week day of that particular week. Okay, so fourth day of that particular week means like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so similarly we'll try to find the weekday for all the dates. So here you can see we have found the weekday for all the dates. Okay, so for this particular date it will fall on Monday, this will fall on the Tuesday, like that. Okay, so these are all the dates which will fall on Sunday, so that's why it is mentioned it as one. Okay, similarly, like if you want to find it for the week number means you can just use the formula week num and open the bracket, select this particular date, close the bracket, and here you can see this date will fall on the 46th week of the year. So in a year, like we usually have a 52 weeks and sometimes we have 53 weeks. Okay, so usually we have the 52 weeks in a year, and this date will fall on the 46th week of the year. Similarly for all the dates, if you want means you can just drag it like this, and here you can see this particular date will fall on which week number. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in all. Thank you. Bye bye.